Hello, Daniel here, and welcome to another one of our product unboxing / review videos. Today we're going to be reviewing the Braun S3 Shave and Style, and it's a wet and dry shaver with a trimmer head, so you can use it in the shower room, etc. Those are the fittings for it. As you can see, wet and dry. It says 45 minutes, so it's got quite a high capacity. It's got 5 combs, 1 to 7 millimeters. 5-minute quick charge, that's handy for using it a lot. 5-meter waterproof, German technology being Braun. And the heads just fit on and off of it really simply. Right. So what are the main features? Close shave and perfect skin comfort, even trim. So if you're into grooming, this is the product for you. Or if you just want a decent shaver as well. Okay, right.
Yeah. A couple of things before we start. Probably just about the jeans.
Yeah.
And if you're really furry, this is perfect.
Right, so if you are thinking about buying one of these and you're wondering what it looks like sort of in the flesh and exactly what the bits all look like and things, and hopefully this video is going to help you. I will need to give this, I think I'll need to give this a good charge before using it. We bought some the other day.
Even that's sensible, so you can get your finger and pull it out.
Yeah, that's quite a good design.
I know it's a simple thing, but
we have had Braun shavers in the past, but this is one of the better ones. So here's your instruction manual. So look, looks like it's available in a lot of different languages, Netherlands, cleaning, so it's quite
comprehensive,
informative. And Braun Series 3 trimmer, beard trimmer, and head 5 combs. Just look for this. Okay, so that's what you get there. I believe these things here fit on top of this, and that's for real close shave, that one. Okay, that's just, yeah, it was pretty self-explanatory, but
right. So in the box,
a bit more.
You get that. I'll unpack it in a minute.
Yep.
That's the shaver. You get that. You get a power supply by the looks of it. Well packaged.
Okay, so that's like a sort of standard shaver socket type thing.
Yeah, I will do in a minute, but that's all the heads there.
If you want to plug this into a 3-pin mains, and you're going to need to get an adapter for that. That's the only thing I'd say about it. But it's designed to kind of show the socket side.
So various adapters. That's 4 in there. Most people know what they're for, different degrees. Again, I'm presuming this is a little bag, this, I think, to keep everything in. So that's just a little touch, so you don't lose all your... Yeah, so that'll be to keep all these in. It doesn't look big enough
To have everything in it, but it looks big enough to keep you, yeah, a bit like a cordless vacuum when you get all the bits.
And in there there's a brush.
And there's a brush for just keep maintenance is important. Something
so
like
there's
this.
Your bag. Let's get rid of that.
So there's your 4 trimmer heads.
Right. So it's got protective cover on here. Just slide that off.
That's come off with it, hasn't it?
Slid the lot off there. Okay.
So that's your standard trimmer, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's out the box basically.
That's like your normal shaving. I mean, you have shaved recently, so is it comfortable?
Yeah, it's very easy to use. You know what the ultimate test would be, don't you?
No, not on the dog, no. Okay, so that
Right,
works.
so that's pretty good, that is.
Okay.
It's flashing red already.
Yeah, it needs charging. You should, when you get these things out, you need to give them a full charge.
Yeah, I shouldn't have used it.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
That's the problem.
Okay. How easy is it to get the heads off? That's the next thing.
Yeah, that is the next thing, isn't it? So there's 2 grips there, and I'm thinking,
oh, that's quite easy.
That's quite easy. And then you'd use your brush for all that.
What about putting like a new head on, like the trimmer head?
Well, that just fits on top, doesn't it? No, so the whole thing comes off. So that's for shaving. Oh, that's quite good. Again, they've look like they've all got sort of a bit of a grip. Just plug and go, should do. That's for sort of shaving. And then I'll get
You can fit these bits on, yeah. And these come in a few sizes, don't they? Beards.
Yeah.
5 combs apparently. Beard trimmer head.
Right. And this is different heights. I mean, I've never used this before, so
No,
I'm
neither
just
have
going
I,
by how easy it is to use. So that doesn't actually, it just pulls off. Oh right, okay. So it looks like these here, this has already got one on. It's number 1 and numbered,
okay.
number 2. And they just slide off like
Oh,
that.
so it comes with one on and then it comes with 4 in cellophane.
Yeah,
okay.
right, okay.
Say the sizes on them.
Yeah, it does there. It's in black. Number 2, 1, 2. So it's fairly easy to use.
Because obviously when you're buying this, you'd want to know how easy is it to take the heads on and off. If you switch between things, it does look quite easy.
So number 5. So they've all got numbers on them. So a word of warning: these tests sort of test an area that you're not, in your head or your face, you're shaving. Because I recall 2 or 3 years ago losing both my eyebrows. A unfortunate experience with a trimmer. Yeah.
So there's your 4 things there, 4 trim things.
I wonder if that goes, will that still fit on there? The head on. No, so the protective head only protects the shaver head. This won't work with.
Oh, stop it from getting damaged. Obviously,
Yeah,
there's fine, real fine bits.
It's got little grooves everywhere, so you can just pull it off. Just literally pull them off. It's really easy. Can you go wrong with it? That's the thing. So this, I'm just wondering if this can go any way. This one. Whether it will, yeah. So it doesn't matter which way up this goes.
So okay, let's look at the body of the shaver then. So what does it look like?
Got a nice grippy handle.
So let's have a look, get a close up of it. So this is the rubber grips at the side. That's your power charging port. And this is the front of it. Obviously that might go green when you charge it.
The only thing we haven't done is how long is this lead, because that's quite important.
Yeah, how long's the lead? We haven't got.
You see, a lot of bathrooms do have the
that, though,
plug that goes in. That's
yeah, we don't have one of those in our bathroom.
We don't.
We have to have an adapter for that.
that.
We've got one somewhere, but
I mean that's a fair length, isn't it? So that's got to be. Now I know
that is a fair length, yeah.
we've got a tape measure there. So if you just pass me the tape measure, because to some people that'd be quite important.
If I hold it, let me hold
Yeah.
it.
If any of you have seen our other videos, what we normally do is lie down and see if it is the ultimate test. It's longer than a man. So that is 69 inches long.
That is,
Nearly
I mean,
6
that is
foot.
that's a fair amount of cable for a shaver in a bathroom.
Yeah,
I've got to be honest.
69, so 6 foot would be 72. So that is quite a distance.
Yeah,
so if you've got your socket,
yeah, it's
all
a
over
lot.
there,
Yeah.
and your sink isn't that close to it. So that's a good design. Plus, even this looks sort of good quality, well built. I say little bag for your bits. Just quite nice. We'll just pop them in there. Keep everything together. So they've thought about that, which is good. How much can you get in there? What's the thing? Put that in there. So there's all your bits in. When you just got the shaving head on, fits like that. Just protects it. Just pushes on. Yeah, it's just a nice product.
Okay. Okay,
been
so
thought about,
if you
which is good.
if you are thinking about buying one, that's what you can expect to receive in the box. Hopefully our review video has helped. Thank you very much for watching.